In today's video, we're going over how to hard reset the Hisense U3120G Soundbar. If yours has stopped connecting, started glitching, or just isn't sounding the way it should, a quick reset is one of the easiest ways to fix it. Let's walk through it step by step. You might be wondering why a reset even matters. Well, if the soundbar won't connect to Bluetooth, keeps dropping Wi-Fi, refuses to pair, or just feels sluggish or unresponsive, a full reset clears out temporary bugs that build up over time. It's also a great idea if you're gifting the soundbar, moving it to a new room, or starting fresh with a different setup. A reset wipes everything and brings the system back to how it behaved on day one. Here's how you do it. Make sure the soundbar is powered on and working normally. It doesn't need a special mode, just its regular operating state. Then, either on the remote or the soundbar itself, press and hold the standby button for about 5 seconds. Keep holding until you see the word reset appear briefly on the display. Once that pops up, the soundbar will go quiet for a moment as it restores itself. After it restarts, it's officially back at factory settings. That means you'll need to reconnect all your devices, redo any Wi-Fi setup you were using, and adjust sound modes or custom EQ settings again. Treat it like it just came out of the box. This quick fix works for most of the annoying problems people run into, and it's one of the fastest ways to get everything running smoothly. If this helped you get your soundbar back on track, make sure to stick around for more simple guides and easy troubleshooting tips.